Are you considering M1 Finance for your investing journey, but wondering if there's a catch? You've probably heard all the buzz: automated investing, customizable portfolios, and a sleek user interface. M1 is often touted as the perfect blend of a robo-advisor and a traditional brokerage, making it a powerful tool, especially for long-term, passive investors. And with $0 commissions on trades, it certainly seems like a no-brainer. But every investment platform has its trade-offs. Before you jump in and move your money over, there are a few key disadvantages of M1 Finance you absolutely need to be aware of. Stick around, because knowing these might save you some headaches down the road. 1. Limited trading window and no day trading. The biggest shock for people coming from traditional brokerages is M1's limited trading window. M1 operates on a batch trading system. This means that unlike a platform where you can buy or sell stocks the moment you hit the button, M1 executes trades only once or twice a day. For most users, this single morning trading window, around 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, is standard. If you're a premium M1 Plus member, you get a second window in the afternoon. Why is this a problem? If the market experiences a sudden dip or spike, you can't react immediately. You could place a trade at 10 a.m., but it won't be executed until the next trading window. This makes day trading and quick, tactical trades essentially impossible on the platform. M1 is built for patient, long-term investors, and its trading windows heavily enforce that philosophy. 2. Lack of tax loss harvesting. Another major feature missing from the M1 platform is automated tax loss harvesting. If you're using a competing robo-advisor like Wealthfront or Betterment, their algorithms will automatically sell investments that are down and replace them with similar ones, helping to offset capital gains and lower your tax bill. M1 doesn't do this automatically. While you can manually sell a position for a loss, it requires you to be actively monitoring your portfolio and understanding the tax implications. For a platform that prides itself on automation, the absence of this powerful tax-saving feature is a significant drawback, especially for those with large taxable accounts. 3. High barrier to entry for fractional shares. One of M1's best features is the ability to buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest a set dollar amount even into expensive stocks like Amazon or Google. However, M1 imposes a requirement for rebalancing that can be frustrating. To sell or withdraw a specific portion of a single stock within your pie, the platform must first liquidate all your shares in that pie and then buy them back to achieve your new target allocation. If you have a very complex portfolio with lots of small positions, this can sometimes lead to unintended fractional sell-offs that you might not have wanted. Essentially, M1's focus on the pie structure, where you invest into the pie, not the individual stock, can make fine-tuning individual positions slightly cumbersome compared to a traditional brokerage. 4. Limited investment options. M1 Finance is great for investing in stocks and ETFs. But when you look at the wider world of investing, the options quickly become limited. You won't find the ability to trade mutual funds, which are a staple of many retirement accounts. They also don't support cryptocurrencies directly in your brokerage account, though they do have a separate M1 crypto product. Finally, there's no way to trade options or futures contracts, which are popular for more advanced investors looking to hedge or generate income.